Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Shawnee RC, and we've just taken delivery of a new B7. We had a B7, and we've still got the other B7, but this one's out of the fresh batch, and I've actually found they've made quite a few changes. Hats off to Team Associated. We all know there was a couple of teething issues with the new platform, with the new car, but I'd like to say well done for Team Associated. A company of that scale to act on the changes in probably that amount of quantity they needed to do, well done. So I've noticed there's a few changes. So in this video, we're going to quickly go over what I found in the revised kit, so you can make a bit more of an informed decision on when you get a new kit, or what parts you update, or when it comes around to getting a fresh kit. Let's go through the changes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'd also like to give CML Distribution and Island RC, Stuart, a massive thank you for getting this kit to me so quickly. Check them out. Now, the notorious C block. They've taken out that notch, which I think we all are very happy with. Although in my B7, I never actually had it pop the pins out, but people did. So that notch is now gone. It's a little bit beefier, and that should eradicate any problems that you've had there. Well done, Team Associated. The diff cap, or the diff top, so what they've actually done now, as you can see, what they've done is they've added some locating pins. So when you're actually putting your diff together, now the pins will actually locate into the plastic diff cup, which I think is a nice little touch. Not sure if anyone's noticed that, but I have. Little things. So as you can see, diff cup, top of the diff, now that will actually locate into there, so you won't have any issues trying to locate or line the screws. And also on the front shock protector, like the B6.4, now they've actually got screw holes which are countersunk into the shock protector itself. So again, they've done away with any kind of clip system. I can't overly tell, but the bulkhead seems a little bit beefier. Could be wrong on that one. As I say, I haven't taken my old one off the B7 that I had before to check it, but there's a possible slight change to that. The gearbox casing, I believe, no, this could just be here, so they might have changed the material for this. It definitely feels nice, it feels harder, but that, again, that could just be my opinion. But in my case, with this diff case, the alignment is absolutely perfect. There is no alignment issues anywhere with this diff case. As I say, it's not easy to tell if that has changed overly, but it certainly feels better, and the alignment is absolutely perfect. So that's all I've noticed so far. If you noticed anything else, drop us a comment. Let's get a bit of a chat going. I'd love to know if you found anything else in your kit, in the revised kits. But overall, I think this is an awesome step for Team Associated. They've made some running changes very quickly, and given the scale on which they sell cars, I think we should all hats off to them. So well done, Team Associated. Can't wait to get this fresh kit built up. And we've also got some new goodies to go into this, some new ESCs to test. Don't forget to hit that like button. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.